Hello everybody, myself Mahesh Talpada. We are here to learn lesson 6. Who I am in standard 6th subject English Honeysuckle. In that, in previous video we have seen part 1. Today we are going to learn part 2, multiple intelligence. Each one of us is skilled and good at something. But do you know that different people are intelligent in different ways? That we all know. In our family, in class, everywhere, we see the different people, either different students, family members, friends, relatives. They are good at something, other skills. For example, in our class also, we see student with different multiple intelligence. Some are good at drawing, some are good at maths, some are good at social science, some are good at speaking. So all this intelligence, different skills possessed by different student. So here we are going to learn 6 different intelligence with example and with their detailed knowledge. So first of all, visual intelligence. Visual means by observing, by watching things carefully. The person who learns, it can be in the category of visual intelligence. In that, think in pictures, create mental images to remember things, to enjoy looking at map, chart, pictures, videos and movies. From those things, the person learns faster rather than reading or hearing. Those who are having visual intelligence, they can be good at puzzle building, reading, writing, understanding maps, charts, graph, sense of direction, sketching, painting, fixing or making objects, understanding pictures, etc. The people, those who possess visual intelligence, they can become in future navigator, means a sailor, sculptor, artist, inventor, architect, interior designer, mechanic engineer. After that, verbal intelligence. Verbal intelligence means those who are good at speaking, expressing their thoughts and ideas by using a language. You like to use words and language. You speak well and think in words rather than pictures. वो पिक्चर्स देख के नहीं सीखते पर सुन के अच्छे से लर्न कर सकते हैं. दे कैन बी गुड एट स्पीकिंग, राइटिंग, स्टोरी टेलिंग, लिसनिंग, एक्सप्लेनिंग, टीचिंग with humor, understanding the meaning of words, remembering information, convincing someone at your point, and they can become a good poet, journalist, writer, teacher, lawyer, politician, translator. So this is the second one. Verbal intelligence means those who can express their thoughts and ideas in a best way by speaking. Third, mathematical intelligence. Those who are good at maths, they like to use reason, logic and numbers, always curious about world around them. You ask a lot of questions and like to do experiments. Those who are with mathematical intelligence, they can be good at problem solving, solving puzzles, experimenting, questioning and wondering about natural events, doing mathematical calculations, working with geometric shapes. They can become a scientist, engineer, computer programmer, researcher, accountant and mathematician. Look at few more intelligence. Being good at your studies is one kind of an intelligence. If you get good marks in exam, that is also one type of intelligence, because you can remember things easily, you can decode the subject's detail easily. But there are many others too. Read the description to find out which of the following types of intelligence best describes you. What you like the best from following. Remember that there will be probably be more than one type of intelligence which fits you. Bodily intelligence means those who can move their body or can perform dance also perfectly, so they possess the bodily intelligence. They like to control their body's movements and handles object carefully. You have a good sense of balance and can catch or hit a ball well, and like to dance. You like to move around while learning. They can be good at dancing, physical coordination means yoga or some physical activities which your PE teachers helps you to do. Sports, crafts, acting, miming means to perform something without speaking a word. Using your hands to create or build, you express emotions through your body. They can become a good dancer, athlete, those who perform the best in various games. Physical education teacher, actor, firefighter, crafts person. Musical intelligence we can come to know by the heading only. Those who are good at music, in singing, in playing different instruments, play and enjoy music. You think about sounds, rhythms, and patterns. You immediately respond to music, either appreciating or by criticizing what you hear. You are good at singing, whistling, playing musical instrument, recognizing tunes, composing music, remembering melodies, understanding the structure and rhythm of music. You can become a good musician. Disc jockey means we used to say DJ, singer, composer, etc. Composer, those who compose songs. Last is interpersonal intelligence, those who can identify the thoughts and ideas of others by asking questions, by looking at their body, their gestures. You like to understand others. You try to see things from others people's point of view in order to understand how they think or feel. You are good at organizer or manage to get other people to cooperate and work as a team. So these are the things that you can easily possess if you have good interpersonal intelligence. कि आप क्लास को अच्छे से हैंडल कर सकते हैं, आप एक अच्छी टीम में सभी लोगों को अच्छे से काम करवा सकते हैं. Then you can become a good organizer. You can understand others properly. You are good at seeing things from others' view, listening, understanding others, people's mood and feelings, solving problems, cooperating with groups, noticing people's mood, communicating and building trust. You can become in future, if you have good interpersonal skill, counselor, those who can counsel others problems, salesperson, politician, business person or teacher. So these are the 6 various intelligence about that we have learned. You need to identify good things in you also, that which intelligence you possess. Then there is an exercise that we'll do afterwards. Now at last, in working in language, what's your nature? What do you like to do? Read the columns about careers in environment that is working to keep our world, the land, water, air and the people, animals, plants safe from nature and man-made dangers. Check out the following. What's your nature? Tinker or thinker? First, thinker, those who think about solutions of various problems. Tinker, those who are mischievous, those who disturbs others. So what kind of an nature you have? Then first of all, it is about adventurous. Do you like to take risk? Do you like to find out new ways to use new methods to find out a solution? They are stoic, means very determined, patient, romantic, calm, curious, physically tough and unflappable. Stoic, those who have decided that they wanted to do something and they do not sit quietly until they complete their work, जिसे हम जिद्दी कहते हैं वो. You like adventure, traveling, outdoor, forest, trekking, wild creatures, rain, climbing mountains, camping, being alone. You're good at biology, outdoor activities, keeping calm under duress, running long distance. You can become a wildlife biologist, zoologist, botanist, naturalist, foresters, zoo curator, and veterinary doctors, etc. Then you have creative. If you have creative nature, those who create something new in the form of anything, in the form of new thoughts, ideas, new artistic things also. If you possess this, you are creative, imaginative, artistic, a dreamer, a romantic person, sensitive, liberal, cooperative, coordinal, clever, perceptive, humorous, and intuitive. Intuitive. Then you like color, designs, outdoor, communicative, creating ideas, arts and craft, watching films, nature walks, engaging in social issues, etc. You're good at art and craft, drawing, photography, creative writing, painting, dreaming, communicating ideas. You can become a good filmmaker, copywriter, graphic designer, artist, sculpture with a social concern, etc. You can work well with NGOs and different institutions. Then inquirer, those who ask questions to learn new things. You are systematic, logical, practical, organized, inquisitive, thorough, then outward looking. By the name, you can understand that if you have that nature of inquiring, means gaining new knowledge by asking questions, then you can become an environmental engineer, bioengineer, chemical engineer. Then some other post also can be expertized by you. Then communication or good communicator, those who possess the nature of good communicator, means if you can deal with the persons verbally very well, then it will be a great benefit to you. Confident, intelligence, creative, gregarious, then talkative, opinionated, alert. You like reading, writing, thinking about the state of the world. You are good at literature, history, languages. And last is idealist. Idealist means those who possesses good qualities in everything. You are hopeful, selfless, romantic, then radical, frank, political, rebellious, socialist, free thinking, restive, then passionate, and those persons can deal with other people, working in team, living frugally, making the most of any given situation. You can become a good social worker, environmental activist, NGO representative, rural development area, and other things. So these were the things about nature. I hope you must have understood the second part of the lesson. So thank you very much for watching the whole video.